The question number 108, the resistance R of a conducting material is, the options are given below. The first one is R is equal to rho A by L, and second option is R is equal to rho L by A. The third option is R is equal to AL by rho, and the fourth option is R is equal to A divided by rho into L. If you consider a conductor, where the length of the conductor is denoted by L and A denotes a area of that conductor. According to the resistance law, that is R is directly proportional to length of the conducting material and it is inversely proportional to the area of that conducting material. If we rewrite this equation, that is R is equal to rho L by A, where L is the length of the conducting material, where A is the area of the conducting material, and rho is the resistivity of the material. Resistivity of a material, and it depends on the nature of the conducting material, and its unit is ohm meter. So the right option is second one, that is R is equal to rho L by A, where resistance, its SI unit is ohm. The next question, that is 136th question, that is when three resistors of values 10 ohm, 20 ohm and 30 ohm are connected in parallel, then their effective resistance is. The options are as follows. The first option is 5.46, the second option is 60 ohm, and the third option is 0.183 ohm, and the fourth option is 6 ohm. From the question, we have to connect three resistances in parallel. That is 10 ohm and 20 ohm and 30 ohm. These three resistors are connected in parallel. We have to find out the effective resistance across these parallel terminal. For that, we have one formula, that is 1 divided by R effective is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. We know the R1 value, that is 10 ohm, that is 1 by 10 plus 1 by 20 plus 1 by 30. Now we can find out the LCM for 10, 20 and 30. We can get the LCM as 60, that is 60. For 6, 23 is 60 plus 32 is 60, that is 11 by 60 ohm. If you solve 11 by 60, we can get, this is for 1 divided by R effective, but we have to take the reciprocal for R effective. That means R effective becomes 60 by 11. If you solve this equation, you can get 5.46 ohm. From the following option, the first option, that is 5.46, is the right answer. We can find out the effective resistance for parallel combination by doing the other method, that is R effective is equal to R1 into R2 into R3 divided by R2 into R3 plus R1 into R3 plus R1 into R2. We know the value of R1, R2 and R3. The R1 value is 10 ohm and R2 value is 20 and the R3 value is 30 and R2 value is 20 into 30 plus R1 value is 10 and the R3 value is 30 plus the R1 value is 10 and the R2 value is 20. If you multiply 10 into 20 into 30, you get 6000 divided by, if you multiply 20 into 30, you get 600 plus 10 into 30, you get 300 plus 10 into 20, you get 200. By adding the denominator, you get the value as 1100. If you cancel 00, that means you get 60 by 11. If you solve by using the calculator, you can get 5.46 ohm.